Welcome to Taiwan community. The following is a tutorial on KYC certification on Binance Exchange. Number 1. Open Binance app and tap Wallets below. Click Verify Identity on the bottom right corner and enter the authentication page. Number 2. Select your place of residence and then tap Continue to proceed to the next step. Number 3. Enter your name and tap Continue. Number 4. Enter your nationality and tap Continue. Number 5. Enter your date of birth. Number 6. Selected ID card. Number 7. Take out your ID card and click on the Continue below to proceed your verification after uploading the front and back sides of your ID card. Number 8. After successful verification, click Continue below to proceed to the next step. Number 9. Congratulations! KYC verification successful.